Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Komero, NIM 22129045. Here I will read in article entitled Augmented Reality Competencies and Integration Challenge among Preparatory School Teacher Education Student, a mixed method study, which were researched by Salmaini, Sartono C, Hendrianto, and N.F. Nor Azhar. Number 1. Literature Review. Augmented Reality in Education. Augmented Reality or AR is a major advancement in educational technology offering an interactive way to improve conventional learning setting. AR enable learners to engage in a rich combination of real and virtual experience by superimposing digital content onto the physical world. This new method can help make complex ideas easier to understand and education more engaging. For example, Garzon and Xvedu have highlighted how ER improves student comprehension and memory track engaging learning setting that promote development. This is especially advantageous in science and mathematics, where intricate theories and procedures can be visualized and examined in ways that conventional methods might not facilitate. 2. ER and student learning outcome. Recent research has focused on the effect of ER on student learning results, emphasizing its capability to enhance educational experience greatly. Research like the one conducted by Gerson et al. Has shown that augmented reality can result in higher levels of student motivation. Participants, and academic achievement. ER application allows students to visualize and manipulate information in ways that traditional teaching methods might not facilitate due to their interactive nature. This aligns with constructive learning theory, which is proposes that learners control understanding better drug practical contextualized experience. Oxelic et al. Provide additional evidence by demonstrating that ER in science education boosts student comprehension and curiosity in intricate scientific ideas, supporting the notion that interactive immersive learning encounters and result in greater understanding. 3. ER in teacher education. The incorporation of ER into program for training teacher is an area that has not been thoroughly examined, even though it has the potential to change how teachers teach completely. Recent research highlights a noticeable deficiency in training free service educators in utilizing ER technology effectively. Avila Garzon et al. point out the numerous teacher education programs do not provide thorough training on ER, causing a gap between the presence of technological tools and their effective use in school setting. This gap shows the need for specific professional training and curriculum planning to effectively prepare upcoming teachers with the skill to incorporate ER into their teaching method. Methodology 1. Research design. This research implements quantitative and qualitative methods to thoroughly explore augmented reality or ER Competition among students studying primary school teacher education. The structure survey were used for the quantitative aspect to evaluate the current ER skills. At the same time, in-depth interview and observation were employed for the qualitative aspect to investigate student views, difficulties, and practical use of ER in teaching. This integrated method permitted a thorough examination utilizing the advantages of each approach. Quantitative data give broad statistical insight into ER competencies, while qualitative data provided a more in-depth contextual understanding of participant experience and challenge. 2. Participant. The results include 150 students in a university teacher education program, chosen using stratified random sampling to represent different years of study and specialization. This sampling approach was designed to encompass a variety of experience with ER technology. Participants were selected from students in their first to final year of studies, aiming for a diverse representation of male and female students and students of various ages and technology background. Result. Perception of ER in teaching and learning interview provided deeper insight into PSTE student perception of ER relevant its potential and the challenge associated with its integration into educational practice. Most participants view ER as a valuable tool for enhancing student engagement and understanding complex concepts. Participant 12 remarks, ER makes learning much more interactive and engaging. My students can visualize concepts that are hard to grasp through traditional methods. This sentiment aligns with broader research indication that ER and significantly boost student motivation and engagement, enabling a hands-on, immersive learning experience that traditional methods often lack. However, several concerns were raised about the accessibility and ease of use of ER technology. For instance, participant 27 expressed without proper training and research it's challenging to integrate ER effectively. It can be time-consuming to set up and manage during lessons. This reflects a common issue highlighted in the literature, where insufficient training and technical difficulties are major barriers to the effective integration of ER in classroom. The study identified several specific challenges PSTA students face when integrating EL involves insufficient training, technical difficulties, and limited access to ER device. A significant number of participants, 63.3%, reported lacking adequate training in ER technology, making it difficult to implement effectively in their teaching practice. One participant notes, the training we received was quite basic. We need more comprehensive workshop that cover how to use the ER tools and integrate them into your lesson plans. Over half of the participants, 56.7%, encountered technical issues such as problems with calibrating device and troubleshooting software. Observational data corroborated this. Students often struggle with the technical aspect of ER, such as calibrating device and troubleshooting software issues. Another significant barrier was the limited access to ER device, reported by 60% of the participants. This lack of resource hinders the consistent use of ER in educational setting. One participant mentioned, "We only have a few ER devices available, so it's not feasible to plan regular ER-based activities." Conclusion: this study provides valuable insight into the current status of ER competency among PSTA students and the challenges they face in introducing ER into teaching practice. While ER show promise in changing student engagement and understanding, particularly for complex concepts, significant barriers exist in implementation. The study limitations include its focus on single institution and potential self-reporting bias in survey. Future research should explore the longitudinal effect of ER integration, assess the impact of targeted professional development program, and investigate ER's effectiveness across diverse educational contexts and subject areas. The findings underscore the critical need for comprehensive training program, ongoing technical support, and improved access to ER resources in teacher education. By addressing these challenges, educational institutions can better prepare future educators to leverage ER technology effectively, ultimately changing the quality of primary education in an increasingly digital world. Thank you.